we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Excuse my little breakouts I've got going on at the minute. It's a little bit hormonal, but never mind, we're just rolling with it. Yeah, I thought I would do another vlog. I think I'll probably do, I don't know if it'll be a full week, but at least a few days with me, just to try and get back into vlogging. I've had a little break from vlogging, not that you would have noticed on this channel so much, because I went for a period, I think I mentioned a little while ago, where I had so many vlogs that I just didn't need to film anymore, and now I've kind of caught up, so I need to get back into it. Yeah, I don't really know what the plan is for the next few days. Today is Wednesday, as I'm starting this vlog, and I'll probably roll it on until maybe Sunday or Monday, hopefully, and just film little bits here and there. I've just made my breakfast. I'm not feeling too great, I'm not gonna lie, so I need to take my tablet in a minute. I also need to put the stew on for tea tonight, and yeah, see where we go from there. Ash shouldn't be too long, he's on his way back from work, so yeah, see what we're doing. I'll probably get dressed then, and I think we've got to head into town for a little bit, so probably do that, run a few errands, and then yeah, come back. And I need to do some blog work because I'm very behind on that. If you follow my blog as well as my YouTube, then you'll know I haven't posted for a little while, so I need to get back into it, especially because I've got some work coming up that needs to be done as well. So yeah, let's get vlogging. The stew now all done in the slow cooker. I don't have to worry about it until later on, which is good. I've got indigestion, apologies. Now I'm just going to go and sit and finished my breakfast. I want to edit a video while I'm doing that as well, which obviously I won't be able to show you because I do it on my phone. And I've also got some receipts to scan because I use the Stowards app to scan receipts, so I need to do that as well. So other than that, I'm probably just going to read my book for a little bit, just chill out, wait for Ash to get home, and then see what the plan is for the rest of the day. How cute is this? One of the things I really love about living here is the fact that we have a town crier, and he's currently selling poppies, which is really cute. Good morning everyone, happy, what day are we now? Thursday. I didn't end up picking the camera at all after those first few clips, which to be honest I thought would be the case anyway. We ended up popping into town. Ash had something that he needed to pick up, and I was going to film, but the area we were going is a bit, what's the word? I don't want to say down and out, but it's a bit, the area of town we needed to go to collect this thing was, it's a bit run down, it's a bit, there's nothing really pleasant to see, and if I'm honest, it's a bit, got a bit of a rough vibe to it, which is a shame, but yeah, literally, and I wouldn't have felt comfortable filming in the shop that we went in, because it's very, very small. It's a little independent shop, so yeah, I didn't end up filming, but we did end up getting McDonald's for lunch on the way back through, which was nice and much needed. I just had a Happy Meal, Ash just had a burger, and we had McFlurry, and then just chilled pretty much, had the stew, watched Big Brother and EastEnders, and just supposedly had an early night. However, it was a rough night for me. I think I fell asleep about 1 o'clock. Bearing in mind we'd gone to bed at like 8. I think I finally fell asleep at 1 o'clock. And then I had to be woken up at 2 o'clock for Ash's alarm going off. And then I was awake then until about 7. Then I went back to sleep for a little bit and woke up about 9:30 to loads of delivery people at my door, and nothing was for me. But I don't mind that because, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, so I've had a little bit of a sleep. I probably look rough because I feel rough, but I've got a cup of tea and I just need to finish editing my video. It should go up before this one, so hopefully you would have watched it. Hopefully you would have enjoyed it, because although it's got 3 hauls in it, it was meant to be a weekend vlog, and so far it's over an hour long, and I don't know how much more I can shorten it. We shall see. I will try and shorten it a little bit more, but I've got a sneaky suspicion it is going to be about an hour or just over, which I don't do very often, but hopefully you will enjoy anyway. So yeah, I need to do that, and then after that I'm going to eat my lunch, because it is now, got loads of messages on my watch, it is now 11:20, so I reckon by the time I've done the video it'll be lunchtime, and then after lunch I need to work my blog. I've just had some content come through that I need to sort out. I need to get my gift guide done and a couple other bits as well. That all need doing because I'm, as I said, I think I said yesterday, or I might have said in the vlog that I've been editing, I'm so far behind, it's unbelievable. But yeah, so that is the plan. Well, editing has taken me a lot longer than I thought it would. It's now 12:30, so I'm just watching it through and just checking that everything is working. Whilst I eat my lunch, I'll show you what I've got. So I've just got a little bit of quiche Lorraine, some coleslaw, and then some salt and vinegar crisps, and that will do me for lunch. Well, I'm just doing a little bit of promotion over on X or Twitter as I still call it. Yeah, it's been a pleasant evening. I haven't really got much to report, however, that was a bit close, wasn't it? I am going to finish some more of this cookie dough ice cream. I only eat a little bit at a time. I try and save it as much as I can. But the realness of pregnancy, especially the later stages of pregnancy, I sprung a leak. I'm so embarrassed. I've got a pad on underneath now to catch like any extra. But yeah, it's not the first time either. But only out of one boob, which, yeah, I wasn't prepared for the first time it happened, but now I have to roll with it. But yeah, never mind, I just thought I'd update you on that. I haven't really done much else. I did manage to write my blog post that I needed to write and get that up, hence why I'm just promoting it now. But yeah, other than that, we had shepherd's pie for tea. Forgot to film it, which bodes well because I really want to do a what I eat in a week kind of video, or what I eat in a day, something like that. But yeah, so it bodes well when I keep forgetting to film meals and stuff, but never mind. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch Big Brother, and then I think probably have an early night. Ash has just gone to the shop to get some more ice cream for him because he ate all his. So he needed some more. But yeah, I'll probably say goodnight for today and see you in the morning. That's a lovely shot behind me, isn't it? Good morning, happy Friday. It is like 10 o'clock and I've just woken up. But I managed to stay in bed, although I couldn't sleep from like 2:30 to maybe like 5. I did manage to stay in bed so that then I could fall asleep about 5ish, so I feel like that's a bit of a win. However, yesterday I obviously worked on my blog and stuff. I didn't do much else, but one thing I didn't do was any dishes, and now I'm left with this, which I need to sort out. Which I'm regretting slightly. I wish I did them last night now. But never mind. I'm going to quickly do these, and then I need to do some promotion stuff for my blog and for my YouTube because I've got a new video that went up this morning. If you don't know, my blog schedule should be, when I stick to it, Tuesdays and Fridays I upload, and on this channel I upload on Mondays and Fridays as well, so there should always be a new video for you here on Mondays and Fridays. But please make sure you're subscribed, because that would mean the absolute world to me. It's completely free, and yeah, if you enjoy my content, I would love for you to stick around and you'll get notified when I've got a new video up. But yeah, right now I need to crack on and tackle at least some of this. I've also got, that's not included in this pile, the slow cooker to clean as well, because that's still got the gravy and like grease and bits and bobs in from yesterday. So yeah, wish me luck. Oh, broomstick.
Like that broomstick.
Yeah. You tired? Mummy's tired too. We've had a nap, haven't we? But we're reunited. It's the main thing. You sleepy bear. We're going to have cuddles. Lots of cuddles. Good morning, everyone. God, my face is puffy today. As you can probably tell by the background, we are back down south, which is really nice. Trix has had a bit of a funny morning. She's already at her head, and then she chinned herself on the radiator. So she's a little bit in the walls today. But I think the plan is, in a minute, for me to get dressed and head to the beach, because it is, I don't know if it's going to show up, looking like quite a nice day for November, if slightly chilly. You having fun there working on the go? Yeah. Don't worry, I'm filming in case you fall over.
Huh?
I said I'm filming in case you fall over.
Oh. bends and edges under the air. It's always lots of fun.